How is regional identity formed? If you've ever wondered what makes a region feel like home to its people or what creates that strong sense of belonging, you're about to find out. Let's explore how regional identity is formed. Regional identity is not something that just exists. It develops over time due to a mix of internal and external factors. One key aspect is the collective belief that people in a region share common features, whether these are real or perceived. This shared identity can be shaped and planned at a political level, and it doesn't necessarily require centuries to develop. Two crucial factors in forming regional identity are time and concentration. The more content or elements a region has, such as language, customs, traditions, and institutions, the stronger its identity will be. For instance, a region's language, dialect, and cultural practices all contribute to its unique identity. To understand this better, let's break it down into a few processes. First, there's the process of identifying the region. This involves defining the region's borders, both geographically and in terms of its social and economic systems. It's about how the people inside and outside the region perceive its boundaries and what makes it distinct. Next, there's being identified with the region. This is when the regional population is attributed certain social, cultural, and behavioral norms from the outside. For example, how outsiders view the region and its people can influence how the inhabitants see themselves. Finally, there's identifying with the region. This is where the inhabitants develop a personal and emotional connection to the region. It's about how their daily practices, social behaviors, and historical narratives shape their sense of belonging and identity. Another way to look at it is through the 6 key factors identified by Smith: a clear collective name, a myth of common descent, shared memories, a distinctive language and culture, a sense of a territorial homeland, and a sense of solidarity among the inhabitants. These elements collectively create a strong regional identity that can attract people from outside and integrate them into the community. Regional identity is also influenced by the symbolic and institutional aspects of the region. Symbols like the region's name, local landmarks, and cultural icons play a significant role. Additionally, the everyday practices and social institutions within the region help shape the identity of its people. In summary, regional identity is formed through a combination of historical experiences, cultural practices, social and economic systems, and the way people perceive and connect with their region. It's a dynamic process that involves both internal and external factors, and it continues to evolve over time.